What is this? A login from where? That wasn't me. That's not my city. My heart just cracked. Someone's trying to get into my account. My first instinct? Panic. Click that button. Find help immediately to lock this down. And that right there, that impulse to act fast. And it's the exact moment they were waiting for. I was a second away from a mistake that could have wiped out my entire online life. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this support scam works, step by step, and then I'll give you the 3-step protocol to make sure your account and your money is absolutely bulletproof. Now, this channel exists for one reason, to give you the practical skills you need to protect your money and your privacy online. So let's get into it. So, panicking, I did what most people do. I went straight to Google and right there, at the top of the result, were these official looking Discord support servers. It's the first place they want you to look. I clicked the first one. It had thousands of members online. The link opened right in the app, which made it feel even more legitimate. The trap was set, and the illusion was perfect. Hundreds of users chatting, a structured server with rules, and FAQs, automatic welcome messages, from bots. It was designed to mimic a real, bustling community. This is phase one of the scam, building false trust. Following the instruction, I went to create ticket channel. I clicked the button and instantly, a new private channel was created just for me. It felt efficient. It felt official. A bot instantly thanked me for my patience, and I didn't need any. Within seconds, a support agent with a staff badge and an official sounding name messaged me. The sense of urgency I felt was not being met with immediate help. Think about that psychology. You're scared, you're vulnerable, and within 60 seconds, you found what looks like a vibrant community and are now in a private chat with someone who has the power to fix your problem. The emotional relief is powerful and it makes you drop your guard. The message was professional. They used my username. They acknowledged the problem immediately. I see you are here regarding your security alert. They use calming language. Please do not worry. This is a script designed to sound exactly like a real support. And here is the right plan. Number one, real support will never ever ask for your password or your 2FA code. That code is meant to stop them, not to prove your identity to them. If you give that code, you are handing them the keys to your account. They can instantly disable your 2FA or second factor authenticator from your mobile or laptop device, and they change your password and lock you out. I pushed back. I said I wasn't comfortable giving the code, and instantly they pivoted. No problem, they said. You can verify by scanning this QR code with your mobile app. This seems like a reasonable alternative, right? It's not. This is the entire goal of the scope. Here's what the QR code actually is. It's not a verification code. It's a login confirmation code. The scammer is already trying to log into your account on their machine. Their machine generates a QR code that is a direct link to approve their login attempt. When you scan it with your phone, you are not verifying yourself. You are personally approving their access to your account. You are letting the hacker in front of your door. In one simple scan, you just given them full access. They are now inside. They can read your DMS, see your servers, message your friends, and if you have any payment methods linked, they can exploit them. All because the scam was designed to exploit panic and mimic legitimacy and every single step. This right here is the moment of truth. Your finger is hovering over the scan button. This is the single action everything has been building towards. Let's be clear. Discord does have a real QR login feature. Here's how it should work. You want to log into Discord on your own desktop. You open the app on your own phone, scan the code, and it gives that specific computer access to your account. You are authorizing your own device. But this fake support QR code is the complete opposite. The scammer is on their computer trying to log in into your account. They generate a QR code for their own login attempt. When they send it to you and you can scan it, you are not logging yourself in. You are approving the hackers to log in attempt in their machine. You are doing their dirty work for them. This is so dangerous because it bypasses every single layer of security you have. They don't need your password. They don't need access of your email. They don't even need your two-factor authentication code. The QR code approval grants them what is called session token, a digital all-access pass that tells Discord servers this is the real user. Let them do anything. You are literally handling them the master keys to your entire digital identity on Discord. They can change your password, lock you out, read your private messages, and message your friends and communities pretending to be you. So remember this, real support will never ask you to scan a QR code. Never. If anyone claiming to be support directs you to a server and asks for a code or a scan, you are talking to a scammer, full stop. The second you scan that code, it's over. You are immediately locked out. Your password is changed. Your email is changed. You are completely severed from your own account. But here's the critical thing to understand. They don't want your account. They don't care about your DMS or your server role. They want something far more valuable. They want your reputation, the trust you built with your friends, your community, your followers in the digital world. Your identity is a tool, and they're just stolen it. From inside your account, their first move is to study. They look at your friends list. They see who you talk to the most. They look for anyone in crypto, in NFTs, in any space where money moves quickly. They are identifying the most vulnerable and valuable targets. Posing as you, they craft the perfect message. It's personal, it's urgent, preys on excitement and FOMO. Hey, I got us into an exclusive meet. Check out this partnership program. The link goes legit, but goes to a perfectly crafted phishing site designed for one thing only. The goal is to drain crypto wallets. Your friend, trusting you, connects their wallets what they think is a real site, and in seconds, their assets are gone. The scammer used your stolen identity to steal from your friends. That's the true damage. It's a scary process, but you are not powerless. So let's get to the solution. Here's your simple, non-negotiable, three-step Discord defense protocol. Step 1. Know the official channels. Burn this into your memory. The only official Discord support website is support.discord.co. Not a Google search result, not a server, a website. Real Discord support will never ever DM you first. They will never ask for your password, and they will absolutely never, under any circumstances, ask you to scan a QR code. Anyone who does is a scammer. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Everywhere, not just on Discord, on your email, your social media, your bank, every account that offers it. This is your essential, non-negotiable first layer of defense. It stops the vast majority of automated attacks before they even start. Step 3. Verify, then trust. If a friend DMS you out of the blue with a deal that seems too good to be true or an urgent link, do not click. Instead, jump on a quick call, send a text, or message them on another platform. Ask, hey, was that you? A 10-second verification can literally save you or your friend thousands of dollars. Trust, but verify first. That's it. Know the official channels, enable to everywhere, and verify. Then trust. Follow these three steps, and your account will be bulletproof. The skill you're really building here isn't just about Discord. It's the digital skepticism. It's the critical pause between seeing something and clicking on it. If you want to turn that skill into a full shield for every single platform you use, my complete money on social media playlist is your essential next step. I break down the real, legitimate ways to earn and the sophisticated traps to avoid on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and everywhere else. You manage your money and your reputation online. The link to the full playlist is right down in the description below. Next, we're going to apply this exact same digital skepticism to another platform, Pinterest. It is a legitimate side hustle or it is another clever guru trap designed to sell you a course. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. You now have the knowledge to identify and completely stop this Discord scam in its tracks. If you learned something today, the biggest compliment you can pay me is to pay it forward. Share this video with just one of your friends who needs to see it. Stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.